Okay, so today we're going to talk about grading your own word problem. So first you want to think of any topic, it doesn't matter. And so I'm going to do cookies. Okay, and I'm going to make up a word problem about how many cookies, how many batches of cookies I need to make for a school bake sale. So I'm going to define my variable, the x equal number of batches of cookies. Okay, so now the next thing that I'm going to think about is my equation. What do I want my equation to look like? I get to make up the equation before I make up the word problem. Okay, so I'm going to say how many batches of cookies. Let's say I want to make 12 batches of cookies. Okay, now I need to think how many cookies are in each batch. Or if you were talking about something else, you might say how much each thing costs. Okay, but I'm going to say, I'm going to put my 12 in parentheses because that's my x. I'm going to say I'm going to bake 24 cookies with each batch, and I'm going to bake 12 batches. Okay, then I'm going to say I want to have a starting point. So I know I need to make 12 more batches, but maybe I've already made some cookies already. Okay, so if I've already made some cookies, did I make one batch of 24? Or maybe if I've made two batches, let's say I've made 48 cookies already. And then I'm just going to plug that into my calculator and see how many cookies total that is. So I'm going to go 24 times 12. Plus 48, and that's a total of 336 cookies. Now I get to create my story to go with it. And we know our stories usually have a total. We know this 12 is really our x. So I'll put my 12 up here so I remember I'm making 12 batches. How many batches? I don't know yet. So now I have to make a word problem to go with this. So I'm going to say I need to bake 336 cookies for a bake sale. Give myself a little more room here. Okay, I need to bake 336 cookies for a bake sale. So I put in my total. Okay. Now I need to get in my other two numbers. How many cookies did I start with? I could say I have already baked 48 cookies. Okay. Now I have to get to the part with my x. This is my question. Okay, so how many batches do I need to bake if each batch makes 24 cookies? And that's where I get my equation, and I already know my answer is 12. Okay, give that a try. See if you can make up two of your own problems.